Hey everyone, this is Ed from Talk with another quick tutorial. Today I am pleased to say that I am doing my first ever sponsored video, and today's sponsor is Aomie International, the Anyviewer remote desktop application. I was reached out to about 4 weeks ago by Aomie, and they asked that I do a review of their unattended capabilities using the Anyviewer application. And the nice thing is that upon reviewing it, I find that it's a pretty decent price, and two, for home use and basically for anybody. I mean, technically you can use this for business purposes as well. If you don't need if you don't need to manage more than 10 PCs that will show up in your currently connected list, you'll have unattended access. You can do text. You can text to chat. And the biggest thing I found to be intriguing is that they have support for their free version. So it's business hour support, so you don't get the 24/7, but it is free, and you pay nothing for it. So let's go ahead and get it installed, and I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so the download is really simple. Just go ahead and copy the link in the description below and paste it in whatever browser you're going to use. Then hit free download at the bottom. If you're using iOS, click the for iOS. Now you're going to click open. You're probably going to get a security warning, so go ahead and hit yes on that to allow it to continue. And then go ahead and hit the install button. And then go ahead and click enjoy now. This is what the application looks like as soon as it's open. And in order for this to work, you have to install it on more than one computer. So if you're doing remote desktop connection, meaning you want to connect from your PC to an external PC or even another PC on your own network, you have to install this application on both of them, and you both will get a device ID. So although this video is going to be about setting up unintended access, I'm also going to show you how to do the remote desktop. Now, after you install the application, and the application install is the same on both computers. Now, I do want to say that if you go back to their website, if you go to the download page, you'll see that they do have it for iOS, and that means basically that you can install this application on an iPad or an iPhone, but you will not be able to control the iPad or the phone, only the PC. Hopefully soon they'll have an application where you'll be able to install it on a Mac, or you'll be able to control the iPad as well. But for now, this is what we have, and honestly, it's pretty decent so far from what I can tell. So go ahead and get the application installed, and then grab the ID from the other PC. Once you type it in, you'll see the word connect appear. Go ahead and click connect. And then at this point, you'll either have a choice. You can either click OK. So if you're just helping somebody in a different location and you just need to get in this one time, go ahead and just click OK. Your partner will have to click OK on their end. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and type in the security code. Now, these security codes are case sensitive, so you're going to want to make sure you type it the way you see it. So now we're in the other PC. So in this case, I'm using a Windows 7 PC and I'm using Windows 10. So to set up the unattended access, all we really need to do is go into settings on both PCs, and in this location here, we're going to check this so that it turns blue, and then we're just going to type a password. And then we're going to hit save. So now the PC is ready for unattended access. So if I go up here and I click on device, both my PCs are here. So now if I click on the Ed PC, I can click assign device. And then if I hit the family PC, I can't really do anything with this PC because I'm connected to it. I'm using this to connect into this particular machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect, and now what I'm going to do is go into devices in here, and I'm going to go to family PC, and I'm going to click assign device. Click on the Ed PC, and now you're going to see a bunch of views show up here. I can click lock, other, I can do view, view the screen. So in this case, let's say I select to lock it. So now on the other screen, I can see that I can actually see that it did lock the screen. So now I'm going to hit view the screen. So as you can see, it's actually locked. So I'm going to close back out of this. So now that I've closed out of it, I'm going to go ahead and click remote control this time. And you can see that now I'm going to be able to actually initiate that PC. And so even if the screen's locked, I can still get into it, and I can still access the files and do whatever I need to do. So if you were in a different state and say you forgot your document for work, you can still remote into your computer and email it to yourself and do whatever you need to do. So that's about it. So that's how easy it is to actually do unattended access. And now if you sign into a different location, you'll be able to access either one of these PCs or any PC, and with that it'll show you if it's disconnected. So if I were to turn off, so let's say on Ed PC, if I accidentally turn off the TeamViewer or the Anyviewer and I hit exit, you're going to see that Ed PC is now showing offline. So if you happen to be somewhere else and you need to get connected to this PC, basically all you need to do is ask your family members to turn that PC back on because it's apparently off, or make sure that they run the Anyviewer from the desktop, and then boom, just like I did, it comes right back on again. So that's pretty much it for the Anyviewer. If you have any questions or you want me to cover something else, I mean, basically, to do the unattended, you're going to have to create an account, and then you'll be able to sign in wherever you go and access these. So, well, if you have any questions, please let me know, and please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.